Alright, this next problem says that there is an object that rolls the length of a 4-meter long table in 0.75 seconds before rolling off of it. How fast is it moving when it leaves the table? Okay, so in this problem we have a table that's up here, and then we have a ball that's going to be rolling across it. It's going to reach the end, and then it will become a horizontally launched projectile that then travels across and hits the ground. So it rolls across and then leaves. So we have two intervals here. We're going to have the roll, and then we're going to have the projectile. So 2 intervals, and that's what we have going on. So when we look at our information, we're going to work on interval 1. And interval 1 is going to be the rolling on the table. So since we're rolling, we're going to have a distance that we cover, which is given in the problem since the table is 4 meters long. And it provides a time at which we are doing so. So it doesn't specify whether or not it's accelerating or not, so we're going to assume that it isn't based on the problem. If it was, it would tell us. So we want to know how fast it's moving when it leaves the table. So that's going to be V final, and we need to know what that is. So x direction, no acceleration, means we have Vx equal to delta x over t. Delta x is 4, t is 0.75, so we do 4 divided by 0.75, and that is going to give us time of, or speed, sorry, 5.33 meters per second. So that is an x velocity. Now since this is the final velocity of the rolling interval, that means that this is the v initial for the projectile, if that makes sense. So since this is what we end the last thing with, this is what we're going to begin the next interval with.